Hi, my name is Rochelle Goodwin, and this is Module 1, Part B assignment. The current event topic influenced by social media that I decided to address was the Trayvon Martin shooting, with the 6-year anniversary of his death being tomorrow. Racial tension sparked by the shooting of a young black Trayvon Martin, who was shot dead by George Zimmerman, a neighborhood watch participant, and a white and Hispanic man. Zimmerman was accused and acquitted of racial profiling that was exacerbated by Martin's dark hooded sweatshirt. The case did not gain any national coverage until social media users brought it to the attention of potential supporters on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Social media users showed support for Martin by posting pictures of themselves in hoodies, causing national news. After the fatal shooting of Martin, the subject of hoodies would cross fashion gene into a political one. It became a symbol and a way to show solidarity and support for Martin, others like him, and a symbol of racial equality in America. The case brought Florida's controversial Stand Your Ground law to the forefront of the discussion, causing other states to question their own laws. Events that are similar to Trayvon Martin's include Fidel Castro, the man you see on your left, the first man on your left, July 6th, 2016, he was a 32-year-old black man who was fatally shot during a traffic stop by a Latino Minnesota police officer. This officer found not guilty. Alton Sterling, the gentleman in the middle, July 5th, 2016. A 37-year-old black man tackled and held to the ground by 2 white police officers. Multiple gunshots soon after, Sterling dead at the scene. And Michael Brown, the last gentleman you see on your right. August 9th, 2014, an 18-year-old black man shot and killed by a white officer who was not even indicted. These are just a few names. There are many more. Knowledge of the Trayvon Martin case spread slowly at first, but with online petitions plus millions of tweets, retweets, and Facebook likes made the country take notice. 10 years ago, people would have read about this in the newspaper, then left it alone, feeling sad. Now, people can take their outrage and turn it into real action with social media. As smartphones become even more ubiquitous, it is likely we will only continue to see social media directly build awareness and breaking news. It is the voice of the people. Everyone is now a reporter, and that is an empowering feeling. With that said, social media will continue to impact society and change the world from time to time, with public sentiment as a driving force. Thank you.